Hello students, welcome to online classes of third semester mathematics. This is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss an example of obtaining the value of x and dx by dt when t is equal to 0.1. Given that d square x by dt square is equal to t into dx by dt minus 4x. This is second order differential equation where x is a function and t is a variable. And x is equal to 3, dx by dt is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0 initially by using RK method. So first I'll be taking the things from the given data, what it is mentioned. Let us see. D square x by dt square is equal to t into dx by dt minus 4x is given, and initial value of x is given, that is 3, and initial value of dx by dt is given, that is 0 at the rate of t is equal to 0. Means if I take this is initial value and this is also initial value, so it will be taken as initial value. So what to do? We need to go for substitution. All the time in the previous examples we have taken the substitution where dy by dx was given. Dy by dx is equal to z we have taken because z was not there in the equation. Here also you can see x is there, t is there. Means next result what you want, you can take either other than x and t, any notation you can take. If you want to take, you can take x, you can take y, you can take z, or any other notation can be taken. Because dx by dt is very much important for us in this session. So let us put this dx by dt is equal to something else like y. I'll be taking y. Then what happens? It's a second order will be d square x by dt square will be equal to dy by dt. Please be careful. dy by dt. Its next result will be dy by dt. Okay. So then the given differential equation converts into, you can see here, d square x by dt square is nothing but dy by dt. Fine. So dy by dt is equal to now t into dx by dt is nothing but y. So t into y minus 4x. There are two results we got now. One is this is first order equation and this is another first order equation. Means second order differential equation got converted into set of first order simultaneous equations. Therefore I'll be taking it as dx by dt is equal to y, which will be taken as f of. All the time we had a discussion how to take variable function derivative. In this entire thing, what is variable? Variable is a t. Variable is t. Then function. What is function? X is a function. Then comes x dash. X dash means what? Differentiation of this is y. So y. Okay. So I'll be calling it as equation number 1. Similarly, second one, dy by dt is equal to ty minus 4x. This will be taken as g of t comma x comma y as equation number 2. Then what about the initial conditions? Initial conditions for this will be now the conditions will be x naught is equal to 3 as it is. Then dx by dt is nothing but y. So y naught is equal to 0 and t naught is equal to 0. Okay. For this case, we need to compute the results. For this, we need to compute the results. For this, we need to compute K1, K2, K3 and K4. And for this result, we need to compute L1, L2, L3 and L4. Okay. So let us take one by one. Let us start with K1. What is K1? H into f of, earlier we used to take x0, y0, z0, but here we have to be careful. Now it is t0, x0, y0. So t0, x0, y0. So what is h now? H is, we need to calculate the value of t at the rate of 0.1 where initial value is 0. Therefore here h is equal to 0.1. Fine, h is equal to 0.1. Therefore this is 0.1 into the function t0. T0 is 0, x0 is 3 and y0 is 0. Therefore it is 0.1 into the f function. F function is only y, so it is y0. Therefore 0.1 into y0. What is y0? 0. Therefore k1 is equal to 0. So we got the value of k1 as 0. Fine. Then comes L1. Need to calculate L1. So L1 is equal to h into g of t0, x0, y0. Therefore 0.1 into g of 0, 3, 0. 0, 3, 0. So 0.1 into, what is g function? G function is ty minus 4x. So t. What is t here? 0. That into y. Y is equal to 0. Minus 4 into x. X is equal to 3. Therefore it is minus 12 into 0.1. Minus 12 into 0.1 is minus 1.2. That is L1. Okay. Now we will move to next set. K2, L2 set. So K2 is equal to, what is K2? H into f of t0 plus h by 2, comma, x0 plus k1 by 2, comma, y0 plus L1 by 2. That is 0.1 into f of t0. T0 is 0. 0 plus h. H is 0.1. 0.1 by 2 is 0.05, comma, 0.05, comma. Then x0 is 3. K1 is 0. So it is 3, comma. Y0 is, yes, y0 is equal to 0. L1 is minus 1.2. 1.2 divided by 2. 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6. So it is minus 0.6. So this is 0.1 into f function. F function is only y. So y0. Where y0 comes? This minus 0.6. Therefore the answer is minus 0.06. That is K2. Then comes L2. So what is L2? H into g of t0 plus h by 2, x0 plus k1 by 2, y0 plus L1 by 2. That is 0.1 into g of 0.05, 3 minus 0.6. That is 0.1 into the g function. What is g function? G function is ty minus 4x. So t into y. T is 0.05. 0.05 into y. Y is minus 0.6. Then minus 4 into x, that is 3. Therefore this is equal to, L2 is equal to minus 1.203. Minus 1.203. This is L2. Then K3. What is K3? K3 is equal to h into f of t naught plus h by 2, comma x naught plus k2 by 2, comma y naught plus L2 by 2. That is 0.1 into f of. Let us calculate these values. K3 of 0.05, 0.05, 2.97, then comes minus 0.6015. Therefore, 0.1 into y value. Y is minus 0.6015. Clear? This is equal to K3 is equal to minus 0.06015. Similarly, L3 is equal to h into g of t naught plus h by 2, x naught plus k2 by 2, y naught plus L2 by 2. That is 0.1 into g of 0.05, 2.97 minus 0.6015. Okay. Similarly, if you substitute the result, then it will be equal to 0.1 into ty minus 4x, t 0.05 into y is minus 0.6015 minus 4 into x is 2.97. Therefore, L3 is equal to minus 1.191. Minus 1.191. Similarly, K4, h into f of t naught plus h, comma x naught plus k3, comma y naught plus L3. Therefore, 0.1 into f of t naught is 0, 0 plus h is 0.1, comma x naught is 3 plus k3. K3 is minus, so it will be equal to 2.93985. Similarly, it will be minus 1.191. Okay, minus 1.191. Okay, so if we calculate this, it will be equal to minus 0.1191. This is K4. We'll be taking L4. So L4 is equal to h into g of t naught plus h, x naught plus k3, y naught plus L3. So it is 0.1 into g of 0.1, 2.93, 2.93985, then it is minus 1.191. This is equal to L4 is minus 1.18785. This is L4. Then similarly, we need to calculate its a solution. What solution we will be getting? we are going to obtain its a solution. Solution will be something like, the required solution is, first we need to calculate x. So x of t naught plus h is equal to x naught plus 1 divided by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Okay, so which is equal to, let us see what it is now. X of t naught is 0 plus 0.1 is equal to x naught is 3 plus 1 divided by 6 plus k1, that is 0, plus 2 into k2, that is minus 0.60, plus 2 into k3, that is minus 0.06015, plus k4, that is minus 0.1191. Okay, therefore x of 0.1 is equal to, let us see how much it is now. X of 0.1 is equal to 2.9401. 2.9401. Similarly, need to calculate its other solution. Other solution in this sense, solution related to its thing. Actually, he said here we need to obtain dx by dt. Dx by dt to be calculated. So when we need to calculate dx by dt, so let us see how best it can be calculated. Similarly, dx by dt is nothing but y, correct? Therefore, y of t naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 times L1 plus 2 L2 plus 2 L3 plus L4 plus L4. Therefore, it is y of 0.1 is equal to, y of 0.1 is equal to, it is nothing but dx